Hi guys, welcome to Jungleworks. So in this video, we will see how to configure a Google login for your Panther platform. So you need to log into your Panther account, right, using the admin credentials. So once you log in as an admin, switch to your admin dashboard. Scroll down to the configure panel and move to social media. So once you're in social media, just scroll down to Google Sign In and Google Calendar. So over here you can enable your Google sign in also, and you can also integrate Google Calendar. So both the configuration can be made through Google API dashboard. So let's proceed ahead, and you just have to just click on to the hyperlink of Google API dashboard. So it will land you to the console dashboard of Google. So once you are on your Google's dashboard, right? So there are certain configurations or certain steps to be followed. So first of all, just select a project and create a new project. Name your project as Teledoc or as per the name you want that suits you, right, for your website. I just create it. So once by the time it's creating, right, we can just I will tell you the further process. So after my project is created, we have to move on to the auth consent screen. So first, let's select the project over here. So over here, the project is selected, which I have created, Teledoc. Now I just go to the API and services and move to the auth consent screen. So once we are on the auth consent screen, we have to select the user type. One is internal and the other is external. So internal is for the developers use. So we have to select the external one. Just click on create, and certain blanks, certain details we need to fill. Right? So add your app name, and then the support email that you have added on your platform. Then place the app logo. Then scroll down to the domain part, right? Application homepage. Just add your domain over here. Then privacy policy links and the terms of use link would be required. So similar. So we have to paste the terms of service link and the privacy policy link. So first, let's copy the privacy link and paste it there. Similarly, just paste terms of service link also. Once the links are pasted, now we have to add the authorized domain. In your case, just copy the complete domain. So copy your domain and then scroll down to the developer's contact information. So if you have hired any developer, you can paste the developer. You can add your developer's email address, or otherwise you can just add your own email address. In my case, I will add my own email address and proceed ahead to the next page, that is scopes. So scopes over here will be used if you want to integrate a Google Calendar. But in case of Google Sign In or Google Login, you can just skip this part. Just skip the test users also. So we have successfully configured uh, the auth consent screen. Now we have to proceed ahead to the credentials part, which is a little crucial part to configure the Google Sign In. Just click on credentials and click on create credentials. Select auth client ID. Select the application type as web application. Name, I will be adding Teletalk. Scroll down to the JavaScript origins and just paste your website domain. Don't forget to remove the slash from the end. And then we have the redirect URLs. So this is a little crucial part, right? So you copy your domain, paste it over here, and move back to your admin dashboard and click on this setup guide, right? You will see the steps that you need to follow, right, in order to enable this login. So under the sixth point, the authorized redirect URL, you see the domain and the other extension that you need to copy. Just copy this people auth Google auth to call back, right? Just copy this and paste it over here. Once you paste it, uh, just click on save and just click on create. So once you create it, the, the client ID and client secret will appear on your screen. Copy your client ID, move back to your admin dashboard and paste this client ID over here. And similarly, copy your client secret and paste your client secret over here and click on save. And just don't forget to select the Google allow users to log in with a Google account. So once you make the required settings, then just open your domain in a private tab or on another browser. Just to cross check the settings that you have configured or the settings you have made works properly fine. So as you log in, just move to the login page or the login customers page. So once you're on the customer login, just click on login with Google. Add your Google account, use email, and then just add your password also. And click on next. Once you click on next, you have configured the settings correctly, right? So I have successfully authorized from Google account. So I have configured the Google account or the Google login successfully in a correct way. Thank you so much.